Hello my dear students. In the today's class we will solve one of the problem which is related to precision. Now look at the problem number 5. Here following are the set of readings taken by 2 meters for a true value of 5 volts. Here you can observe that from meter A and B there are 4 set of readings have been taken. From meter A, first reading has been taken is 4.81 volt, and once again second reading also 4.81 volt. Next reading is 4.79 volt, and the last reading has been taken, that is 4.78 volt. Similarly, from meter B, 4.92 volt, 5.09 volt, 4.83 volt and 5.16 volt has been taken. Now choose the meter with better precision and justify the answer after defining the precision. That means here first we have to define the precision, and after that we have to find from meter A and meter B which meter is having better precision. Now let us solve this problem. Before the solution of the problem, it is very important to understand what is precision. I hope in the previous class already we have studied about precision. Let us recall it once again. Now what is precision? Look at here, the definition of precision is, it is a measure of degree to which successive measurement differs from one another, so that it can be expressed as precision capital P is equal to 1 minus xn bar divided by xn bar, and the here precision is measured in percentage, where xn indicates the value of nth measurements. In the next slide, during the solution of the problem, I will tell you what is the value of nth measurement in the given problem. Similarly here, xn bar indicates the arithmetic mean or average value of set of measurements. Visually, we denote arithmetic mean as small x bar or xn bar also. Now look at the problem once again. Here we can see that the true value of this 2 meter is 5 volt, but from meter A we got 4 set of reading. In that the lowest reading is 4.78 volt. That means 4.78 volt is considered as the value of xn. That means the value of nth measurement, that is xn, is equal to 4.78 volt. Similarly, from meter B also we have measured 4 set of reading. Amongst these 4 set of reading, the lowest reading is 4.83 volt, so that here the value of nth measurement, that is xn, is equal to 4.83 volt. Now the next step is find the value of arithmetic mean for meter A and B, and after that, using the equation of precision, we can find the value of precision for meter A and B in percentage. Now let us solve the problem. For meter A, the average value or arithmetic mean can be expressed as, we know that the equation for arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to summation xn, where n is varying from 1 to n, divided by n. Consider this as equation number 1. Here in the problem, total number of readings taken by meter A is 4, so that n is equal to 4. According to problem, the equation for arithmetic mean xn bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 whole divided by n. Consider this as equation number 2. Here in the problem, we know that 4 set of readings from meter A are x1 is equal to 4.81 volt, x2 is equal to 4.81 volt, x3 is equal to 4.79 volt, x4 is equal to 4.78 volt. Now they substitute the value of readings taken by meter A in the equation number 2, so that arithmetic mean xn bar is equal to 4.81 plus 4.81 plus 4.79 plus 4.78 whole divided by 4. After calculation, the arithmetic value of meter A xn bar is equal to 4.7975 volts. So that precision of meter A can be calculated as, we know the formula for precision, that is capital P is equal to 1 minus xn bar divided by xn bar, where xn is equal to 4.78 volts. Already we know that from the meter A there are 4 set of readings taken. Amongst those reading, smallest value is 4.78 volt. So that we have to consider xn as 4.78 volt. Similarly here xn bar is equal to 4.7975 volts. This arithmetic mean value we have already calculated earlier. Now substitute the value of xn and xn bar in the equation, so that precision P is equal to 1 minus 4.78 minus 4.7975 whole divided by 4.7975 into 100. So that after calculation, the value of precision for meter A becomes 99.635%. So that we can conclude that precision of meter A is 99.635%. This is how we have to solve the value of precision for meter A. Now similarly we have to find the precision of meter B in the same way. Let us solve it. Before that, first step is find the value of arithmetic mean for meter B. The average value or arithmetic mean of meter B can be calculated as, already we know that arithmetic mean x bar is equal to summation xn, where n is varying from 1 to n whole divided by n. Consider this as equation number 1. We know that in the given problem, the number of readings taken, that is small n is equal to 4. According to our problem, arithmetic mean for meter B is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 whole divided by n. Consider this as equation number 2. Now in the meter B there are 4 set of readings have been taken. Those readings are x1 is equal to 4.92 volt, x2 is equal to 5.09 volt, x3 is equal to 4.83 volt, and x4 is equal to 5.16 volt. Now substitute the value in the equation number 2, so that xn bar becomes 4.92 plus 5.09 plus 4.83 plus 5.16 whole divided by 4. After calculation, arithmetic mean of meter B xn bar becomes 5 volts. Now the precision of meter B can be calculated as precision P is equal to 1 minus xn bar whole divided by xn bar. Now here we know that the smallest value which is calculated by meter B is 4.83 volt. So that here xn is equal to 4.83 volts, and the arithmetic mean of meter B xn bar is equal to 5 volt. Now substitute the value of xn and xn bar in the above equation. It becomes 1 minus 4.83 minus 5 whole divided by 5. After calculation, the precision of meter B becomes 96.6%. So that we can conclude that the precision of meter B is 96.6%. Here in the given problem, precision of meter A is 99.635% and the precision of meter B is 96.6%. If you compare the precision of meter A and B, the meter A has more precision than meter B. In the next class, we will solve another type of problem related to precision. This is what end of the presentation. Thank you and see you in the next video.